comfy. It's a good car.
Yeah.
Cool. You said this thing's running.
Bleep that out. Bleep that out.
like temps. Like, what's your comfortable range?
Just
for
drive
things?
it. You'll be fine. The only thing to ever really worry about would be intake air temperature. We have air temp there.
Okay.
Coolant temp never really gets high.
Fahrenheit. I understand those numbers.
Oil temperature, like, it doesn't even get above like 240, 250. It's super chill. Coolant shouldn't even get above like 212.
M3 axles.
They're 330 axles.
Okay.
We're on acceleras.
Soft clutch.
Yeah, it's like an act clutch, FDF hydro. When people are in the back, because of the weight on the rear axle, it like grips it right up. So usually I just run tons of pressure in them. Okay. Roast third, no problem. You've driven this track, you're pretty much going to be third
It's a
gear.
CF?
Yeah.
Sick. Has it weld exhaust?
It's all tied. Yeah, all tied painted, tied down by too.
Hell yeah.
It's got our grip kit on it. Not that you're going to be using that at all. But
And this is the exact same kit that's on your Pro car. So E36 spindles.
Yeah, I'm very, very happy with the kit. I can do whatever the I want with that car. Like, it's effortless.
it looks like it. So.
Yeah. Like,
that's good.
I would love for you to drive it just to see like what you think of it. Because obviously, like, I feel like what I'm doing with it isn't how you designed for it to be used.
It's just a ton of caster, but what it is that you're doing with the car is maximizing the driver's ability to handle a machine. Basically, like, you're putting so much weight to the rear when you are running that kind of geometry that not that many people would be able to tame that. But if you can, it's like on a computer, if you were to do something in a way that would make the car the best, would it be drivable? The answer typically is no. But
most people have to warn them. I'm like, hey, if you lift off the gas, you're probably gonna crash.
yeah.
But it's sick.
I would imagine like you're driving the car as if it's a boat mixed with a drag car, and you just got a rudder that's like controlling your steering with throttle and all that.
Kind of a suggestion. It
Exactly,
doesn't really
exactly.
do much.
And with the suggestion, you have to be a lot more precise. If you have a ton of grip in the front and you're not doing a bunch of weight transfer, you can easily make corrections and fix whatever you're doing. But
The cool thing is that you can't make corrections. So if you're on the right line, like, I could full understeer, and if you weren't looking at my front wheels, you'd have no idea.
Yeah.
The car wouldn't change.
yeah, but I'm really excited to release the kit with the specs of alignments. I want to come to the compound. I'll bring a rush car, or you need a third one, so maybe I'll just ship it to the compound. We'll do some laps on your compound layout.
I feel like it's turned into a podcast. First thing in the morning, we're podcasting about
very
angle kits.
very easily could be. Yeah.
I would actually love to do that, because I feel like your knowledge of like angle kits and stuff is like 10x what I know, and I'm so intrigued by so many things. Like, I know what I want it to feel like, but I don't know how to get there.
Yeah, and then the understanding of behavior is what I do have a lot of, but again, I would like to drive the car because I've driven some extreme setups, especially on Mustang stuff. The numbers are similar to what you're now pulling on like a Fox body.
We're in Toronto driving the FDF wagon here at Race Wars. Mike's about to give me a rundown on this rig.
Yeah, dude, you got my hot rod here. We got her all prepped up. Did a little damage last weekend. All the boys got her back in business. Very similar to stuff that you're used to. We got 2JZ up front, all new Haltech system, PDM, and the Nexus ECU. Bunch of vibrant titanium piping, your favorite, some HD clamps. Just made around 500 horsepower on the dyno. We run a little bit of ethanol in it. In terms of angle kit, also stuff you're very used to. We got the E36 knuckle, BC coilovers, but the grip kit on the rear is gonna be a little bit different. True coilover.
Sick.
I'm excited for you to try it.
Oh, I want to
Load a
see the
bunch of
radiator
people in
setup.
it.
Can we open this?
Yeah, of course we can, dude. We got a rear mounted rad, nice Nuke Performance swirl pod in there, a bunch of big pumps.
That's so cool.
Big Volvo fans on it. She's spruced up, ready to go, dude. I think you're gonna have an absolute blast in it.
Stock fuel tank?
Stock fuel
Hell
tank.
yeah. It's the way to do it.
Distribute that weight, especially with all the passengers in the back. I know you like analyzing stuff, so you're gonna be, I know you've done the chaser and stuff with 4 people, and you probably definitely do notice the difference,
Oh
but
my
it's
God,
crazy how much a little bit of extra weight over the axle changes the car. Overall, it's super simple.
Thank you
Hey,
for letting me drive it.
no worries, dude.
I'm stoked.
You let me drive your stuff, so it's the least I can do.
You got to come drive the big block.
Yeah, I'm ready to drive big boy cars.
Dude, your nuts are going to drop so low.
You're ripping and tearing.
How much PSI do you think's in that accelerator right now? 18? Whoa.
Ask him. Hey, J-Man, how much PSI are in those bad boys?
A lot more than you probably think.
18.
No, we'll put a lot in them.
A lot.
We'll put like 25 or something.
Whoa! Whoa!
Big pressure guy. That's a lot for Josiah.
Adam, how'd it feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Super easy to drive. Very intuitive. This might be my first E46 wagon I've driven.
Really?
Yeah, you wouldn't notice. I forgot it was a wagon while I was driving.
Yeah.
I'm stoked. Like, getting to share like the drift experience with not only one person but 3 people is like the coolest shit ever.
Pretty sick.
I'm fired up.
I was flooring it too, and then when I stopped flooring it and the smoke was still there, I saw the smallest flame. So I don't think we did any damage, but drifting, which makes a lot of smoke, and then when we stopped drifting, the smoke continued and the rear main seal pushed out. It did actually start a small fire under the car. I used one of our Element fire sticks, popped it, never used them before, so that was cool. Struck it and started spraying it, put her out right away, and then I just had 100 seconds of extinguisher spraying, so I had to just put it in the grass basically, because you can't shut them off after you strike them. But yeah, really random. That means, I guess, we would have had one more lap at DMCC before the rear main would have popped out. This is like the second or third time, and we're buying the whole rear cover OEM from GM. So the fact that it's pushing the bearing right out of the cover, it doesn't really make sense. We have to look way more into that, because I get it if you install it into the cover wrong and the centering tool and all that messes up. Maybe you can do that wrong, but actually we just replaced the whole cover and it still does it. I'm not sure what's up with that, so gotta fix that. It's like every 2 events that happens. We had a couple ride-alongs we were supposed to do. We're not gonna get to do those, so Adam's gonna continue driving the wagon. I'll probably get in the wagon. I'll probably drive the Audi here that Andre and Vasily brought. And then we're gonna still drive these rush cars and get Adam in that during the lapping session. Otherwise, we're doing a meeting with Vibrant after this. Nice dinner, sitting down with them. Vibrant's a Canadian company, if you guys didn't know. Huge company now, but they started like 20 years ago, very small. Similar story to us. And yeah, we're gonna have a meeting with them, dinner with them, and talk about how we can integrate companies and products more. So that'll be really good, make the trip worth it. That's all I got for you now. Lots more from Adam, and hopefully the wagon holds together. It seems to be a really reliable car. So.
Quick axle swap?
Quick swap.
Yeah, no, I kind of totally expected that to happen. And we've been running the pressures the same since this morning, so
Right.
we're locked in.
How was it all?
Man. Such a good time. They work so good. So good. Like going out in the sim before you do this. I've never drifted this track, but never like raced it. So like just the whole session was just like, oh yeah, that's not the way to go around that corner. And then really emphasized the stress on having a good sim time before. But as far as just going out and having fun, the car's so drivable. It's so easy to compose. It was sliding, it was understeer. It's like I knew exactly what it was gonna do, when it was gonna do it. Nothing surprised me. It's like, oh, I want to kick it sideways, no problem. I want to feel the understeers. Okay, that's as much you can do in that corner. It's so predictable. Yeah. A lot of fun. Sounds great. Everyone loved it. Yeah. So it was really good. Excellent time.
Okay, new product.
Okay.
Put it up here, sure. This will probably be usable by you if you want, but it's a helmet stand. Coated your color. I came up with this over the winter.
Oh, hell yeah.
And essentially, you hang your helmet, your suit, your gloves on the wall.
So light.
Yeah.
You know what's funny? I was actually looking up like helmet hanging things for the wall. They're all ugly.
I couldn't either. I couldn't find them, or they were ugly. Yeah. So you can remove it and just do your helmet and gloves, or your suit can go on it as well.
Super cool.
But basically, that comes off. So you hang this wherever you want, and then you can kind of like.
I'm absolutely gonna use this.
It like clips on like this when it's on the wall, and then you lock it in with those two screws. But it's super simple. Find a couple studs.
Okay, so I have a question now.
Yeah.
Can you make me a version that's helmet only?
Yeah. So this unbolts.
Well, would that be a little bit like if you just had a helmet? Would that be a little tall?
It's a little tall, but when I made it shorter, the helmet covered almost the whole frame.
Got it. So
And I was like, you wouldn't see any of the frame. So with the helmet on, you actually only see right here.
That's cool. Yeah, I want to test it out. So like, I have this wall that I was literally intending to like display helmets on.
Yeah.
And that'd be super sick.
So we could just do the helmet. We could even remove this arm.
So what is this for?
This is just like gloves or whatever, pants. It's kind of like an auxiliary hook.
Yeah.
But I have my suit here, my helmet here, and then I just put my gloves like this.
I need like matching versions of this. Like you can make me a guitar one. You can make they all match.
Yeah, for sure. And then I thought like this could be good for welders, motorcycle riders, skiers, snowboard. Like it's a new product. It's almost like you got to teach the consumer that they may need it.
Yeah.
Because like otherwise no one's looking for this, but they just throw their stuff all over the floor.
Trailer version.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, one guy bought it for a trailer, custom color. It is pretty strong. It's 1/8 aluminum on both sides.
Yeah.
Billet blocks, and then the only 3D printed things are for like the corner of your suit and then the top of the helmet. I thought maybe 10 years from now, Amazon, like it could be everywhere.
They have on Amazon, like, cause I've looked, they have helmet hangers, but they're like cheap plastic. Like I wouldn't trust it on my wall,
Yeah.
and it's ugly.
I don't know. I went through like so many different designs of this thing, and I was like, this is like ergonomic. I can make it. It doesn't cost too much. I think it's 125. US.
You're good with the machines. Imagine you make one of these that you could just.
For a E-track.
D-ring, yeah. I'm sick. Shit.
I don't have D-rings on my walls, but
Yeah, that's
you.
for you.
I love
just
it.
Put it back in the box. if
I
you want.
appreciate it.
How do you think it went, dude?
Adam had a blast. Only took down one axle. Not bad. I've done worse. NASCAR pit stop. I'm exhausted.
And the car's still in one piece.
Yeah. Didn't hit a wall this weekend. That's cool.
Weird.
Driver mod.
Weird.